Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L5290 driver, download and installed. So guys, use to any browser, search like that. After that, go to this link, this website which is on Epson co.in, this official website. Just click on it. After that, you can see this is driver. Just click on it. Scroll down the printer driver. Okay, and this is for the scanner printer driver, and click to download. Scroll down, I agree, and just you can see this is supported OS Windows 11 also, Windows 10 also. Click to download. You can see it is start downloading. It will take some time and depend about your internet speed. Okay, it is completed. Then just single click to open on your printer and connect to your system via cable also. Okay, so if you want to set default to check this, okay, if you want to update automatically this printer software, so check this, then click to OK. Now this is the driver installing to your system. Yeah, so this is languages. If you want to change, so you can, otherwise okay, then I agree, then okay. There are two options to install via network and second USB. So if you want to network, so connect a LAN cable to your printer, okay, and then click to search options. So you don't know of your printer IP, so click search the printer and connect the segment, and then click to OK. If you know the printer IP, you have to enter it. Okay, this one and this one also IP, like 192.168, what you want using. Okay, this is first, and after that you can see click search, and then it will click to OK. It will detect this is your printer laptop, and this is printer, and this is router on switch, you can say. Okay, second method, you can see this USB. So USB means you have to connect the USB to your laptop or desktop via using a printer USB cable, and then click to OK. After that it will seconds of you have detect, and then next to install. Okay, after that you can just restart your system and printer also, and then check it is printing or not. If not printing, you just comment me, I will support. Thank you.